Hi students, how are you doing? Students, I miss you so much, but we have to continue our English lessons. So today is our first English on this video lesson, okay? So please watch this video and study English and don't stop, okay? So we have to continue when in our English books. So please open your English books right now at page 26. 26. In this lesson, students, we will learn about family members, relative pronouns, how to describe a family, how to describe your family, or what else family, and adjectives that describe our personality. Yes, adjectives that describe yourself, personality, not physical characters but personality. So I will first start with you on your book on page 26, presenting for you the family members. I know that you know how to say all these family members, but I need you to listen one more time. I will put the listening below the video, okay? So repeat all the family members, but I will say for you and you repeat after me, okay? Let's first start for us. So we can say me. You could have brother or sister. We have our parents. Yes. And when I say parents, please pay attention. Parents, it isn't parentes. Parents is father and mother. Pais. So don't confuse this word that is very similar in Portuguese. Parents is pais in Portuguese. So father or mother, or if you call your father and mother in a love way, you could say mom or dad. That's the same. After this we have aunt or uncle. Yes, they are brothers or sisters of our parents, aunt and uncle. And they have their children that we call cousins. Cousins. Do you have cousins? I think you have. Then we have our grandparents. Parents is father and mother. Are father and mother, and grandparents are grandfather or grandmother. Grandfather and grandmother. And they can be called grandma, vovó, or grandpa, vovô. In your book, you have all the ways to say the name of grandparents. There are a lot of them, okay? So in your book, students have a questions about family members, okay? The question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. You have to make this exercise, okay? And have a small test called on page 27 called "This is my family." This is my family. This family that you can see on your book is a family from a kind of monkey called gibbon. Gibbon. And they are their family here. They are parents, brothers and sisters. And in this test, this is my family, the gibbon describes his family. Okay? So you can see in pronunciation the relative pronouns in this test. There are a lot of relative pronouns. So Um, on the second part of this video, I'll go forward to explain for you guys about relative pronouns. So, I want to know how to describe your family. Teacher, how can I describe my family? This is so difficult. No, it's not difficult. When you learn the relative pronouns, you learn how to say who is each person on your family. So I can say, this is my father. His name is Jorge. This is my mother. Her name is Inês. Remember that when we use relative pronouns or when we describe our family, we have to know about two pronouns I teach you in the past. His and her. His, masculino, dele ou dela. Her, feminino, dela, okay? I'm sorry, I confund this. His, masculino, dele. Her, feminino, dela. Okay? So when I say her name is Inês, o nome dela é Inês. His name is Jorge, o nome dele é Jorge, certo? E eu usei os relative pronouns in the start of the sentence. This is my father. This is my father. Este, this, é o meu pai, is my father, ok? This is my mother. Esta é a minha mãe. So, let's go for the second part. Look for the board now, okay? So, let's continue the second part. Look for the board. I have in here the relative pronouns. Repeat, relative pronouns. Which are the relative pronouns, teacher? Repeat. This, that, this, and those. One more time. This, that, this, and those. The difference between them are very important to you make your sentence. Pay attention. We use to for singular sentence. And we use to for plural sentence. Okay, so in singular we have this and that, okay? When I want to say that something or point to something, I could use this or that for singular. How can I say this, teacher? So, this I use when the thing is near of me, is very near of me and I can point. For example, if I ask you, students, what's this? What's this? You answer me, teacher, this is a marker. This is a marker because the thing, the object is near of me, okay? Is near of me. I can point, I can touch. So, I use this when the thing is near of me. Say the example. This is my pen. So, I could say for you, this is my pen. This is my pen. What's this? This is my pen. But when the object is far of me, far, not near, like this, far, I use that in the singular, okay? So I can point in some that is very far of me and I could ask, what's that? Look, what's that? You could say, Oh, that is my house. That is my house. Look, that is my house. So, can you translate this for Portuguese? This, este ou esta. That, aquele, aquilo, aquela. That's okay? In the singular, look, it's one pen and one house. So, this is my pen, that is my house. Now we have the plural. In the plural, we have this and those. Okay? So, this is when it's near of me. Near of me. So, these are my books. These are my books. What's this? These are my books. There are 2 books. And those, when the thing is far of me, look, far of me, those are my parents. Who are those? Who are those? Quem são aqueles? Those are my parents. Okay, students, so is this for today? And listening all the video and watch and make the activities that I will make below of the video, okay? See you next class. Goodbye.